On this video today, I'm going to show you another easy strategy that you can use to make money with affiliate marketing as a complete beginner without any experience and without any skills. This method is one of the best because it requires low investment, and the best part is that wherever you are in the world, you can use this method to make money from home. So make sure you keep on watching till the end so that I'll show you the product that you can promote to make a lot of money and a cheap traffic source that you can use to get people to purchase the product so that you can be making money from home wherever you are in the world. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos. Now let's get into the details. The first step is that you have to join an affiliate network. There are many affiliate networks that you can join. You can join Max Bounty, you can join ClickBank, or any affiliate network that you know. In this case, I'm using Digits224. Let me log in for you to see. So let me log in. As you can see, this is my accounts. Let me scroll down for you to see. You can see everything in my accounts. You can see everything. You can see the figures right here. So now what you have to do is that you have to find a product that you can promote to make money on this platform. There are many products that you can promote. So all that you need to do is that you have to find the one that you want so that you can promote it to make money from home. To find a product, what you have to do is that you have to click right here, Marketplace. Once you click on the marketplace, you're going to see a page like this. If you scroll down, you can see these are all products that you can promote to make money from home wherever you are in the world. You can see a whole lot of different products. You can see this product, for example, it helps people to reduce their sugar level. You can see Sugar Defender supplement. It is one of the best supplements that you can promote. You can see the commission rate is $137.69 per every sale that you get. This is the amount that you're going to earn per every sale that you get. When you scroll down, there are many others that you can promote. You can see this product right here. The commission rate is $137.35 per every sale that you get. You can see this one, Pro-Dentin supplement. The commission rate is $137.95 per every sale that you get. There are a lot of different products on this platform that you can promote. You can see a whole lot of different products that you can promote to make money from home. So all that you need to do is that you have to select the product that you want so that you can promote it and then get people to purchase the product, and you are going to be earning a commission. If you come right here, you can see product categories. They have digital products, they have events and seminars, they have services. So if you want any of those categories, you can click on it and then find a product that you can promote. For example, if you click on the digital products, you will see a whole lot of different categories that you can promote. You can see they have business and investment category, and there are about 152 available products that you can promote under that category. You can see animals and pets, betting systems, you can see dancing and music, computer and internet, dating, relationship and romance, and many other categories of products that you can promote. You can see email marketing, family and children, fashion, fiction, food and drink, fun and games, and many others. Any of the categories that you want, you can click on it. Once you click on it, you get the available offer that you can promote, and you are going to be making money from home. In my case, I have a product that I've been promoting, so I'm going to show you how you can promote it, but you can choose any product that you want. The most important aspect is the traffic source. You have to find a highly targeted traffic source so that you can get the right people to click on your link and then purchase the product that you're promoting. In my case, I'm going to be promoting this product right here, Pro-Dentin supplement. Pro-Dentin supplement is one of the best supplements that you can promote. It helps people to maintain healthy teeth and gums. And you can see it has a good commission rate, $137.95. You can see the cut conversion rate is also good. The cut conversion rate is the number of people who click on the link of the product and then go ahead to make a purchase. So if you promote this product and then get about 200 clicks, about 27% of those clicks are going to convert to sales, and you're going to be earning money. The traffic must be quality, not just any clicks, but targeted clicks. You have to get the right people so that they can click on it, so that you can get this conversion rate, not just any random clicks. Target the right audience so that you can get this conversion rate. Now, once you have selected the product, the next step is that you have to click on it so that you can begin promoting it. Once you click on it, you're going to see a page like this. If you want, you can click right here, affiliate support page. Once you click on it, you can get the resources that the product owner has for you, so which you can use to promote the product and then get people to purchase it. If you are also new to the product, you have to click create a sales page. Once you click on it, you can be able to see the landing page of the product. As you can see, this is the landing page of the product. It contains vital information about the product. So if your potential customers click on your link, they can be able to read more about the product before they decide to purchase it. You can see they have bonuses and many other information. Now, once you have seen the landing page of the product, the next step is that you have to begin promoting it. To promote the product, you have to click right here, promote now. Once you click on it, you can be able to get your affiliate link. Once you click on promote now, you're going to see a page like this. Click right here, copy promo link. Once you click on it, you can be able to copy your affiliate link. Now, once you have gotten your affiliate link, the next step is that you have to find a traffic source whereby you can get people to click on your link and then make a purchase for you to earn a commission. There are two types of traffic. You can use the paid traffic or you can use the free traffic. In this case, I'm going to show you a cheap paid traffic source that you can use to get people to click on your link and then purchase the product so that you can be earning money from home. The traffic source that we are going to be using today is richeffect.com. Rich Effect is a traffic network where you can advertise your affiliate link at a very cheap cost. If you also have a website, you can monetize it using this platform. But in this case, we are going to advertise our affiliate link. If you scroll down, you can see more details about the website. It has one of the cheapest cost per click and it is available worldwide. So any country that you want, you can target it using this platform. They also have many methods of payment that you can use to deposit money into your account. So wherever you live in the world, you can be able to deposit money into your accounts and then use it to run ads on this platform. Another good thing about this website is that the minimum deposit is low. You only need $50 so that you can deposit it onto this platform and they will spend it on your ad for you to get many clicks. Now what you have to do is that you have to sign up for an account so that you can begin running your ads onto the platform. So click right here, sign up. Once you click on sign up, you have to enter your details. Once you enter your details, you can be able to get access to a free account. Once you create your accounts and log in, you are going to see a page like this. Now what you have to do is that you have to click right here, create new campaign. Once you click on it, you have to select the advertising method. So click right here and then select any of the ad formats that you want. You can see a whole lot of them. Just select the one that you want. Once that is done, click on next so that you can begin running your ad. Once you click on next, you're going to see a page like this. The first thing is that you have to give a name to your campaign. So type supplement. Type supplement. Once you type the name of your campaign, you can change the advertising method. So click on it and then select the ad format. Let's select push ads. So that is push notification. Once that is done, you can see select display option. Just leave it at the default. You can see choose your tags. You can enter your tags here. So let's enter health. You can enter health. You can enter wellness. You can enter fitness. You can enter white teeth. White teeth. Just enter the tag that you want. Once that is done, you have to scroll down. You can see choose your payment method. They have CPC. That is the only option. So the CP is the cost per click. So you are going to be paying per every click that you get. Once that is done, you can see choose main category. They have adult traffic. They have mainstream traffic. So any of them that you want. In this case, we want to select mainstream traffic. You don't need adult traffic. Once that is done, you have to scroll down. You can see right here choose category. So if you click on it, you can be able to choose a category. You can see the categories. Just click on it. Once you click on it, you can be able to choose the category that you want. You can see a whole lot of different categories. Choose the one that you want. You can see a whole lot of them. Just choose the one that you want so that you can be able to get the right people to click on your affiliate link and then purchase the product for you to make money. Once that is done, you can see choose categories. Just leave it at a default. Once that is done, you can see your daily budget. Leave it at a default. Do not select it. Once that is done, you can see fixed CPA amount. Just leave it at a default. Once that is done, you can see maximum impression. Leave everything at a default and then click right here next. Once you click on next, you are going to see a page like this. So the next step is that you have to select the country that you are targeting. So click on it and then select the countries that you are targeting. In this case, we are targeting tier 1 countries. So what you have to do is that you have to search for Canada. Search for Canada. Once you type the name of the country, you see it right here. Click on add. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, the next step is that you have to search for United Kingdom. United Kingdom, you can see it right here. Select it. Once you select it, click on add. Once that is done, search for USA. So let's search for USA. Okay, we have seen Australia. Select it and then click on add. Once that is done, let's search for United States. So you can see United States. Click on it and then select add. Once that is done, you have to search for New Zealand. So let's search for New Zealand. You can see it right here. Select it and then click on add. As you can see, that has been done. We have selected the countries that we want. The next step is that you have to click right here, next. Once you click on next, you're going to see a page like this. You can see select device type. We are targeting all devices, so just leave it. Connection type, we are targeting all connection types, so just leave it. You can see select browser language. So we want people who speak English. So let's select English. Let's search for English because the offer is in English. We must target people who understand English. So select English. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, the next step is that you have to click right here, next. Once you click on next, you are going to see a page like this. You can see choose time period. Just leave everything at the default and then click right here, next. Once you click on it, you are going to see a page like this. Click right here, creative. You can see creative. Click on new ad so that you can be able to insert your affiliate link. Once you click on it, you have to give a title to your campaign. Once that is done, you have to add a description. You are going to type something like Prodentum supplement. Just type anything like this, Prodentum supplement. Once that is done, you have to type a description. So you can type something like Prodentum supplement helps to make your teeth white and strong, something like this, healthy and strong. So just something like this. You can type Prodentum supplement help to make your teeth white and strong, or you can say make your teeth healthy and strong, any of them that you want. Now once you have your description, the next step is that you have to scroll down. You can see right here display link. So we are going to type something like prodentum.com, just something like this. Once that is done, you can see destination link. So this is where you have to paste your affiliate link. So you have to come back on days 24. Once you come back, click on copy promo link. Once you copy your promo link, you have to come back and then paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, you have to upload images of the product. So you have to upload a main image and then an icon image. To get an image of the product, you can come on Google and then search for an image of the product. So let's search for Prodentum images. Search for Prodentum images. Once you search for Prodentum images, you are going to click on images so that you can be able to find images of the product. You can see these are all images of the product. Download any of them that you want. In this case, I'm going to download this one right here. So right click on the image that you want to download. Once you right click on it, you have to select save image so that you can be able to save the image onto your device. Once you have saved the image onto your device, click right here, choose file so that you can upload your image. Once you click on it, select the image that you downloaded, click on open. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, you can see icon image, click on choose file. Once you click on it, select your image and then click on open. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, you have to scroll down. You can see your CPC byte. That is your cost per click byte. You can see it is extremely low. You can see it right here. This is the amount that you are going to be paying per every click that you get. If you want, you can increase it or you can decrease it. In this case, I'm going to increase it to 9. You can see it right here. Now, once you have entered all the details, the next step is that you have to click right here, save. Once you click on save, you can see your campaign is now live. You can see it right here. It is active. You can see your campaign is active. You are going to be getting traffic. But before you get traffic, you have to deposit money into your accounts so that this website can spend the money that you have deposited to get traffic for you. To deposit money, you have to click right here, add funds. Once you click on add funds, they are going to display the payment methods that you can use to deposit money into your accounts. You can see they have PayPal, bank, Pioneer, Capitalist, USDT wallet. You can see the different wallets. Any of these payment method that you have, you can select it and then use it to deposit money into your account. You can see the minimum amount that you can deposit through PayPal is $50. You can see it right here. So if you want, you can deposit more than $50. You can see you can deposit $100, $300, $500, $1,000. Any amount that you want, you can deposit it. If you select bank, you can see the minimum amount is $500. The minimum amount requirements depend on the payment method that you select. So if you select Pioneer, the minimum amount is $100. The minimum deposit amount depends on the payment method that you select. So any of them that you select, you see the minimum amount that you can deposit. You can see Capitalist, the minimum is $50. So now what you have to do is that you have to go and take action so that you can be making money with this method. That is it for today's video. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos.